Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Wear. If you want to get free skins in Marvel Rivals using bundle codes, here's how you can claim them quickly and easily. First, check for active bundle codes. Free skins are often released during events, promotions, or giveaways. Follow Marvel Rivals official social media pages or join their Discord community to stay updated on codes. Next, open Marvel Rivals and go to Redeem Code section. You will find this in the main menu under Settings or Store. Enter the valid bundle code exactly as provided and confirm. If the code is still active, your free skin will be instantly added to your inventory. If you don't have a code yet, check our game form, official streams, or promotions from partners. Codes can sometimes be region specific, so make sure it's valid in your area. Follow, enjoy your new skins in Marvel Rivals and customize your favorite heroes. Thank you for watching How to Wear. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks.